Look at this sequence: 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, and question mark. Now, I want you to answer quickly. What comes next? Don't overthink it. Just trust your instincts. Welcome to Math with Miss Becca, where patterns look simple until they don't. Because today, this question is not about finding one answer. It's about discovering something that makes students doubt themselves. Most people start with differences. Let's try it. What is the difference between 2 and 6? That's 4. The difference between 6 and 12 is 6. The difference between 12 and 20 is 8. The difference between 20 and 30 is 10. And then the difference between 30 and the next number, since this is increasing by 2, that means it's going to be 12. And that means the next number is 42. So let's try this. We have 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, and then the next one. So here we can say this is 2 times 1. For this one, the person sees 2 times 3. Here, the person sees 3 times 4. Here, the person sees 4 times 5. Here, the person sees 5 times 6. And for the next one, the person sees 6 times 7, which also gives 42. That makes the pattern n bracket n plus 1. But wait, there is even another way people explain this. Let's look at this pattern. Let's first write the question. We have 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, and then question mark. So let's take a look at another pattern. Here is another pattern. For 2, we have 1 square plus 1. For 6, we have 2 squared plus 2. For 12, we have 3 squared, that's 9 plus 3. For 20, we have 4 squared, that's 16 plus 4. For 30, we have 5 squared, that's 25 plus 5. So again, this pattern is n squared plus n. So the next digit will be 6. N will be 6. So that gives 6 squared plus 6. And that is 36 plus 6. And that also gives 42. And we have 3 different patterns. We use the difference pattern and we got 42. We use the multiplication pattern, we got 42. We also use the formula pattern and we got 42. And that's when students get confused because they start thinking, wait, if there are many patterns, how do I know that I am right? Here is the truth most people are never taught. A sequence does not just have one pattern unless it is clearly defined. Without rules, humans can create multiple valid explanations. That means, which pattern did you use to figure this out? Did you use the difference pattern? Did you use the multiplication pattern? Or did you use the formula pattern? Let me know in the comments and I will see you in the next one.